to show you my current internet speed on fast.com. It's almost around 40 MB. Okay, so this is my current internet speed, and my VPN is on. So if I check my location now, saying that Tokyo, Japan. So I'm not in Tokyo, Japan right now. So let me just disconnect this VPN. So as you can see, the Japan server is connected, and I'm just disconnecting the website. So let's check the current speed now. So it's currently we are not connected to the VPN, and it's our current speed. So my regular speed is like around 50 MB. Okay. So after connecting the VPN, I get this speed almost around 40 MB, like a difference of 10 MB just. So it's not a big deal. Like in others VPN, I have tried till now. This shows just 3 to 5 MB per second maximum. So that's what the main difference is. And I'm gonna show you that how you can use this VPN for free. So you have to create an ProtonMail account first, and then you can use this VPN for free. So if I explain about if I wanna talk about ProtonMail in detail, it's like a alternative of our Gmail. If any user have a Gmail account, then he will just say his account address like username@gmail.com, and if you have an if you have a ProtonMail, you have to say that like username@protonmail.com or proton.me, the new domain already. So let me let me show that how you can create the account. And another thing is here we're gonna create the account in free memory. Okay, so as you can see here, up to 1 GB mail storage. So if you're active in this mail system, you will get some offer sometimes, like an an offer for 15 GB of free space for doing some short tasks like that. So it's like to increase their users, but it's a very secure platform. Then in the next place of Google. So let me create the account. problem is happening here? Like I've already signed in this account with another Proton. So maybe it's a reason. But to create an account, but create a ProtonMail account, you have to just search on Google that ProtonMail. ProtonMail. You will get sign up from here. Just create account. So select the free membership and set your username password and just create your account. So after that, when you will come in this VPN, you'll be asked to sign in. So you have to just give your ProtonMail email account and password, and then you will just sign into this VPN. So as you have already seen that how fast it is, and you can use this VPN in your mobile phone as well. So it will give the same performance on all devices. So that's all about it. And another interesting thing is it's actually work all the time. Like if you when you are activated this VPN and your computer just shut down. I mean, it's for any reason it took restart or by anyhow it lost the power. So whenever the device will come online again, you don't need to restart it manually. When you will just open this when you will just open this VPN for one time, it will work continuously until you turn it off manually. So that's the most interesting thing about this VPN, and you can use this VPN in your daily life as well. So that's the thing.